Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Honda Pilot rear wiper blade. First, gather your new 14-inch rear wiper blade. Make sure your Honda Pilot is parked on a level surface and the engine is completely off for safety. Then, gently lift the rear wiper arm away from the window until it stands upright and locks into its service position. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and easy replacement process for you. Now, let's remove the old wiper blade. Look closely at the connection point where the blade meets the arm. You'll find a small tab or button. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old blade straight off the hook on the wiper arm. It should detach with minimal effort. Remember to hold onto the wiper arm securely so it doesn't accidentally snap back and hit your rear window, which could cause damage. With the old blade removed, it's time to install your new one. Take the new 14-inch wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked. Give the blade a gentle tug to double-check that it's firmly attached and won't come loose during operation. This step is crucial for proper function. Finally, carefully lower the wiper arm back down onto the rear window of your Honda Pilot. Make sure it rests flat against the glass. Now, turn on your vehicle and activate the rear wiper to test its operation. Observe how the new blade clears water. It should sweep smoothly and effectively across the entire window, providing clear visibility. Congratulations, you've successfully replaced your rear wiper blade.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.